In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add a drop-down menu in Zoho Sheet, a simple feature that makes your spreadsheets far more organized and easier for anyone to use. By the end of this quick guide, you'll know how to create clean, structured drop-downs that make data entry faster and error-free. Start by selecting the cell or range of cells where you want the drop-down to appear. This tells Zoho Sheet exactly where users will be able to choose from the list of options you're about to create. Once the cells are selected, go to the top menu and click on the Insert tab. From the drop-down of options that appears, look for Pick List. Hover over it and choose Create Pick List. A customization panel will open on the right side of your screen, and this is where you'll build your drop-down. Inside this panel, you'll see two main modes. Single Select allows users to choose only one item from the list, perfect for things like selecting a category or department. Multi-Select lets users pick multiple items at once, which is helpful if you're tagging entries or allowing several labels to apply to one cell. Next, add the values you want to appear in your drop-down. You can type the options manually, separated by commas, which works well for short, simple lists. Or you can choose a range of cells that already contains your list of values. A great option if your choices are already organized somewhere else in your sheet. After you have added all your values, take a moment to review the list and make sure everything looks correct. Once confirmed, your drop-down is ready to use, instantly making your sheet more interactive and structured. With just a few steps, you've added a clean, functional drop-down to your Zoho Sheet, helping you manage data more efficiently and keep everything well organized. Thanks for watching and explore more tutorials to improve your spreadsheet workflow.